What happens when your Python program encounters an error? Without proper handling, it crashes instantly. That's where try except blocks come in. A try except block is Python's way of catching exceptions to prevent your program from crashing. The try block contains code that might raise an exception, like opening a file or converting user input. If an exception occurs, Python immediately jumps to the except block, which contains your recovery code. This lets you handle errors gracefully instead of letting your program terminate. Think of it as a safety net that catches problems before they become fatal. You can catch specific exception types for precise error handling. For example, value error for invalid data conversions, type error for wrong data types, or file not found error for missing files. By specifying the exception type, you can provide tailored responses for different problems. You can even have multiple except blocks to handle different errors differently. Try except blocks support optional clauses for advanced control. The else clause runs only if no exception occurred. The finally clause always executes, whether an exception happened or not, making it perfect for cleanup tasks like closing files or releasing resources. Try except blocks are essential for writing robust Python code that handles errors gracefully. Start practicing with them in your next project. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.